When the fever's gone and the road's to dust, I touched down Sunday to tie the loose ends up, with a pocket full of that gypsy stuff. I heard you calling me, calling me, calling me through the dissonance. I've been known to